Okay, on this trip it's going to be 2 nights with the boat. I'll be sleeping in a tent this time. We're going to try to get into some big trout, maybe some cutthroats. I think I'll throw the crawdad trap out, have some of those. I just got up here. It is like almost 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna launch the boat and see what I can do. All right, very nice. Damn, got one on the other pole too. Shit, I'm knocking them fucking dead out here. Oh, this one here feels heavy. Up here, baby. Oh yeah, this one's a rainbow, so that one I'll be keeping this one. Holy shit. Holy shit, did you see that water? It was like a freaking ocean out there. I had to get off the lake before I got swamped. Yeah, it's getting late anyway. I got into them, man. I caught eight fish. I kept 3. We're gonna cook them here. I gotta go find myself a camp spot though before it gets too dark. Yeah, pulled the boat out of the water. Shit, it got sketchy there for a minute. I was looking for my life jacket. Damn. All right, let's go find a camp spot. I found a camp spot. It's like a campground. Like I paid money for it. I'm embarrassed, but it was quick and it's cool. So We're all set up here. We're tenting it this time. Got a actually brought some wood, but got a fire ring. You see, we can only have campfires in one of these campgrounds, and I want a campfire. This guy here that's in this campground, he's elk hunting, and he swung by in here. I talked to him earlier, and he said he just shot his cow elk. He's right back down there. Alright, glorious morning. See if we can't make day 2 as good as day 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a good fish right there. Getting into a lot of these small ones. Not like yesterday. Doing more damage to yourself, son. Oh yeah. Calm down, buddy. Off he goes. That's freaking awesome. Man, it's like a non-stop action out here. Doesn't seem like I can do anything wrong. I've caught so many fish I've lost count. It's awesome. This is definitely the biggest fish here, for sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that big boy. Oh yeah, boy. That was one fighting fish right there. That was, it's like he caught a wound right there. That was a good fight. Damn, I just hooked onto another big boy. Oh, that's a rainbow. We'll be keeping that one. Oh, fat rainbow. Alright, we got one in there. Those are the ones I want right there. Those rainbows. So we'll be cooking that tonight. Alright, back at it again for the evening. It looks like it's gonna rain though. God damn! I had to bank this thing. Shit. Yeah, that was pretty impressive. I wish I had a bilge pump. Shit. Took me 20 minutes to bail out the boat. Alright, well, I guess I'm lucky to be alive. I got caught in a freak windstorm. But anyway, I'm back at it. Got the boat cleaned out. There's like a ton of mud in here. Take a look at this. All that mud. But back to trolling. There's fish jumping everywhere. It's nice out here now, you know. Alright, looks like this is going to be the end of this trip. All I need to do is put the tent away and I'm out of here. Everything else is packed up. Truck's getting warmed up. It's like 6:30 in the morning here, and of course I got to be at work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. But hell yeah, what an awesome trip this was. Thanks guys for watching.